Hey Jesse, we're just getting rolling out here where it says that we're doing new lines, but I think the contract said 1 skimmer and 1 return, but I've noticed that there's a low wall and 2 returns. So I just want to make sure that we're doing all the lines and we get, you know, we're gonna dig a path, but that's the pool right there. I just want to make sure it's covered in the contract. All right, this is the view from the machine at this stage of the game right now. Digging the stairs, digging out for new plumbing lines, draining water. Getting her done. Have a good day, everybody. Stay tuned, this is a long video for long video purposes. Well, we're looking at a pile of ice inside the pool. We're gonna get another pump bubbling. Long story short, we're gonna walk this trench right here. And this is our brand new filter trench going to our pump and filter equipment pad. So everything will be ready to, you know, do the plumbing and stuff like that. So we are gonna lay frost blankets in the trench tonight, but the next step for us right now is to start ripping on these stairs and see if we can't get those stairs out of there. So stay tuned, this is a big project. Hope you're enjoying, and we'll talk to you later. All right, everybody, so this is our second day. This is day 2 that Josh and I have been here on this job. And we're just gonna kind of talk about what we did today. So obviously for the whole company, today's day 3. So this is 3 days getting to this point right here. And what we did today was we reinstalled new return fixtures. We put 2 low walls there, and we moved that return over to there. So that way we get good circulation moving around, okay? I think we're gonna finish over here and we'll come back to that area and we'll do a little walk around. So we had Brad, the plumber, out here today, and he got everything all, you know, plumbed in. This is kind of what it looks like. Return lines are 1.5 inches, the intake lines are 2 inch. And this is our low walls here so that we have equal suction rate, you know. I would say distribution, equal distribution. I guess that works too. But hey, so we got some of these piles of dirt hit up with the frost blankets. So tomorrow we're gonna backfill. One other thing I got to do is I got to run a bond wire from the pool, from the steel pool, run the bond wire all the way along into the trench and run that over to here. So this is where we Brad was doing all the plumbing and things like that today. So he's got the water bonder all situated, you know, check valve for the DE filter, you know, a little spigot there. So he did pretty good. We still got to find the junction box for the light. That's going to be kind of tricky. I do wonder if that little light on the, I don't know if you can see this light right here. I wonder if that has anything to do with it, but not much other to show here. So let's keep moving. Like I said, tomorrow we're gonna backfill all this and get it all situated. And then, so we'll keep coming around the trench. And, you know, so we got the stairs put in. You know, we had some heavy, right in here, we had some heavy repair work on that skimmer panel. So you can chime into some previous videos to see that. But I did make I'll have a couple shorts, probably already out by the time you see this. There's already gonna be a million shorts. So we got our stairs in, concreted in, and we got it braced down here because we still gotta, I had to chew up some of the vermiculite in order to cut the stairs out. So we gotta patch that vermiculite. We got a nice little frost blanket down in there. We got 3 pumps in the pool. We're trying to melt this ice. I know a lot of people say to try to put some salt in the pool. I don't know, maybe we'll try that. It's worth a shot, right? You never know. You might find out it works and it could be the best thing ever since sliced bread. Who's this? Jesus? Buddy, you came to check your job out tomorrow? Yeah. This is the job for tomorrow, buddy. I heard. So Jesus, the backfiller's here. And so tomorrow, like I said, we got a frost blanket right here. Tomorrow we're gonna probably try to dig this out and see if we can't fix this wall, you know, pull it back straight. We're gonna have to dig it out, take the weight off the wall, and then we'll, you know, do some A-frame work and stuff like that. So that's what's going on there. More angle iron work. Then we can zing all the coping on. A few more days we'll be ready for a liner out here. We got a pile of stuff we got to haul out of here. The old stairs are still here. The old concrete collar's still here. Brian wants us to reuse this pile in the filter trench.
Okay.
And yeah, I figure, you know, sand for the stairs.
Yeah.
Sand for haunching pipes. Okay. And over here though, I have to dig this whole wall up because it's bowed like a mother. You know what I mean? So I stopped short of the pipe. I didn't hook the pipe up. Okay. And you know, we could probably backfill to like right here or whatever. And then go from there. So I don't know where the day will be, but I'd love to be able to get at some of that tomorrow. And I don't know if we can throw the rest of that in your 450 at the end of the day, or
I'll make space. Yeah.
Make space. So yeah, it's all, we put the frost blankets on. Brian said to reuse it, but I imagine as long as we coat it with sand and then send it with that stuff, will be all right, right? Yeah. Stairs came out good.
Yeah, they look real good.
And yeah, we had a problem with the machine the tracks locked up because it's hard pan. It's like concrete. Is there anything we can do to prevent that?
Torch.
Torch?
Yeah, keep spinning the track every time you get off.
Oh. I'm not really a qualified machine operator, but I'm a qualified machine breaker. All right, everybody, well, stay tuned. This video will be showing the whole process. All right, we're going to start off the day here at the pump and filter pad, and I just wanted to point out that we got the water bonder hooked up to our grade 8 copper wire, and then we can attach it to the lug on the back of the pump, and I do believe there's a lug on the heater, but we're ready, all set. We're all hooked up. Ran this wire all the way back to the pool. We're getting frost blankets taken off. We're backfilling today, and we're also going to start digging out to make that repair on that wall over there. I do believe we're going to attempt to throw some salt into this pool and see if that will help melt this ice a little further along. I'm told that it will. We're going to at least give it a shot. We have to find the junction box for that light. So that is going to be somewhere in there to there, somewhere in that ballpark. Hopefully is where we'll find it, and we'll talk about things from there. All right, welcome back. Where? Oh, the machine's still running. Water's pumping. That don't look too bad, all things considering. Hey, Bruce. How's it going, buddy? It doesn't look that bad considering some of the other ice jobs we've seen, buddy. All right, well, we're gonna get to work. Okay, everybody, little midday update. And so here's what's going on. I got the coping put on this wall, and as you can see, it is straight as a freaking arrow. Josh and Bruce took all the ice out of the pool, well, mostly all the ice. They were able to get the cover out. Cover's right there. We got to fold it up. And you know, I did a little bit more angle iron work where it was needed, and you know, so I got most of the coping on. I just got to do the 2 shallow end panels and the stairs. The coping will be done. You know, sweep all the shards off and spray Rust-Oleum. We're gonna finish getting all the ice out of the pool. We're gonna start cutting the liner out of the pool. We're gonna try to scrape walls and paint everything, and should just kind of be ready for foam patch drop tomorrow. We do have a little bit of patchwork to do in front of the stairs that I want to try to get to, but you know, we're setting up for the big finish, the big finale on the liner, which is going to be tomorrow. And I'm just going to go take a quick little lunch break, feed the belly, and we'll get back to work again. Straight as an arrow. Straight as an arrow. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. All right. Hey, Jesse, I just wanted to let you know that we took the mechanical transit. We shot elevations around the pool per contract orders, and everything is within like 3/8 of an inch. I think that's all within tolerance. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I think that's good to go. All right, I just want to invite everybody back. Today's dome day. Today is the dome. We are currently putting fuel in, and heat is going in. You can see the plastic slightly moving, and we're gonna blow this puppy up, get to work, drop a liner. So just wanted to say thanks for everybody that's been following along, okay? Well, everybody, we finally got everything all wrapped up. You can see how the ground is all dry where we had the dome. Let's just take a little walk around the pool. We'll kind of recap what we did. I think everybody watching this video should know. But black slate liner, we swapped out a set of stairs, new skimmer, new plumbing lines, Whistling Dixie vacuum, black slate liner. We got our anchor sockets for the new ladder going in. We redid all the bonding. We put in a new LED light. No main drains here, in case you're wondering. And we're just gonna kind of stand here, soak it all in, and water truck will be on its way. And we're gonna move on to the next project. Looking forward to it. Thanks to everybody that chimed in on this little project. I hope everybody enjoyed the long format version of the start to finish of this job. We tried. We'll talk to y'all soon. Steve got it. Pool. See you later.